This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today, we are stir frying some pork in sweet soy sauce. Before we move on to the recipe, let's take a look at the soy sauce. There are many types of soy sauce, depending on the country and the region. To oversimplify things, you can generally divide soy sauce into 3 styles. The most common is the light soy sauce. It is light in color and thin in consistency. It is the most salty of the 3 styles. When the recipe calls for soy sauce, this is what they are referring to. There is also the dark soy sauce. It's darker in color and less salty than the light soy sauce. This dark soy sauce has a caramelized flavor, and the better quality dark soy sauce is sometimes referred to as superior soy sauce. It is thicker as compared to the regular dark soy sauce and has a more pronounced caramelized fragrance and taste. Dark soy sauce are mostly used to add color to your dishes. The third style of soy sauce is the sweet soy sauce, also known as Kecap Manis. Sweet soy sauce is mostly used in Southeast Asia, in the regions like Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. Kecap Manis adds richness and sweetness to all your dishes. And this is the soy sauce we will be using in today's recipe. If you cannot find sweet soy sauce or Kecap Manis, you can make your own by boiling equal parts of soy sauce with equal parts of palm sugar. Bring the soy sauce to a boil to melt all the palm sugar. Then, boil it over low heat to reduce the soy sauce to a thick, syrupy consistency. Now, let's move on to the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using pork tenderloin. You can also use pork shoulder instead. You can buy pre-sliced frozen pork from your supermarkets, but I find them to be rather tough. So I will always buy a piece of pork and slice it myself. Slice your pork across the grain into about 2 to 4 millimeter slices. Then marinate the sliced pork with sweet soy sauce or Kecap Manis, pepper, salt, and cornflour. Give all this a good mix. Then set it aside while we prepare the other ingredients. For the aromatics, one medium onion, couple of slices of ginger, and about 3 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. Now, in a hot pan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When this oil is hot, add in your aromatics. That's the onions, garlic, and ginger. Fry all this till they are fragrant. This will take about 30 seconds to a minute. When you smell the aromatics, add in the pork. My pork looks a bit dry here, so I'm adding a little bit more oil. Stir fry the pork a while till most of its surface turn white. Then, add in a splash of water or stock. I'm using some mushroom water here. I was soaking some dried mushrooms for another recipe. Give the pork a quick toss and cook it till there's a little sauce left at the bottom of the pan. Your pork should be cooked by now. Taste and adjust for seasoning. This is stir-fry pork in sweet soy sauce.